guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you a really awesome and delicious way to use your St. Patrick's Day leftover corned beef and cabbage. Let's face it, there's no way to just cook a little bit of corned beef, so you always have leftovers. There's a million ways to use them: corned beef hash, corned beef sandwiches, but one of my favorites is a corned beef quesadilla. Yes, it sounds a little crazy, but you know me, I love a quesadilla. I'm always looking to put anything in a quesadilla, so I love making corned beef quesadillas. You're gonna love this leftover recipe, trust me, and it's super easy. So we're gonna get started. We have 2 flour tortillas that are about this size. If you're using one this side, I like to use 2 and put one on top of the other, but if you're able to get kind of a bigger tortilla, you might be able to just fold it right in half on your grill pan. But I have this size right here, so we're gonna take this and put it right down in our grill pan. We're then gonna move a little bit quickly. We're gonna take some Thousand Island dressing and just kind of drizzle it over the entire thing. You could spread it out a little bit if you want, but best part about a quesadilla is it doesn't have to be too perfect. After that, you're gonna do a couple slices of Swiss cheese, maybe about 3 on each side. So get some nice thin slices of Swiss and dump that in. Now it's time to start loading up some of our other ingredients. So I have just a brown white onion that I just cooked up on the stovetop a little bit. If you do it in here raw, the onion won't get a chance to cook, so it'll kind of stand out in a real onionly flavor, and we don't want that. So just cook down an onion on your stovetop, slice it up real thin, and add it to your quesadilla. After that, it would not be a corned beef without cabbage, so take a little bit of your leftover shredded cooked cabbage, get some nice slices that'll fit right into the quesadilla, and put it on over top. After that, we have a little bit of sauerkraut here. Now, if you're not a sauerkraut person, go ahead and leave it out, but I mean, honestly, I love sauerkraut. I think it's awesome. So, you know, put it in. But this is just a regular kraut with caraway seeds. So we're just gonna put that in our quesadilla as well, and make sure it's nice and evenly spread out and that your ingredients are mixed together. Last ingredient is the corned beef. You're gonna go ahead and just place the corned beef in. I just shredded mine up real tiny, and you're gonna put it in. You may wanna just kind of press it down if it's getting to be a real fatty here, but let's face it, a fatty quesadilla is awesome. And then you're gonna just take 3 more slices of cheese, spread it out on top, and then a little bit more Thousand Island dressing. You can just do a little glob like this before you put it on. Spread it out like so on this side, and then dump it on. We're gonna let this cook on high heat for about maybe about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So after about 4 or 5 minutes, flip it over, give that other side a nice crisp up chance, and then it is yours to enjoy. And once you cook it on both sides, you have yourself a delicious corned beef quesadilla. I mean, look at that. That's pretty epic, if I do say so myself. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram at Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I am digging into my quesadilla. Really, guys, so good. You're gonna like this one. Bye-bye.